Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. And so today I'm looking at a 2022 Grand Design Imagine. It's a 2800BH. And so I wanted to thank the owner. Eventually he's going to see this online on YouTube or on our Facebook group. And what I wanted to talk about was, how to properly care and maintain your unit, and then make sure that you're doing repairs on it, doing your inspections on it. So this happens to be a unit that came in for a wheel bearing pack. I did a video on it a couple days ago, and when I went up to the guys, I just randomly walk around our lot checking on our guys, so none of the stuff is like rehearsed or what are we going to talk about, just like this morning, right? So anyways, the guys did the customer's wheel bearing pack, and so when they did that, they found out that all his brakes were saturated with grease and the seals had failed, which is just normal. That happens in travel. Vibration, tires being out of balance, which a lot of people don't balance their tires on a travel trailer. Suspension components that fail or get worn will cause more vibration to the axles, which causes the seals and the hubs and the bearings and everything to chatter a lot more. Even though you see these hangers down here and they look kind of funny, that's because they're not properly placed, because the unit's weight is off the ground, and so they'll be in the correct position once the weight and everything gets back on, and then we pop the coach to get it back in place like it's supposed to. So something to think about, this owner, we basically called him up, and I'm going to call him this morning and just let him know what we did find, other than, hey sir, you need some new brakes and you need some new suspension components. So yesterday in our video, when I came over here with Jim and Aaron that was working on it, Jim grabbed the spring first, and he was able to shake the bushing and the bolt inside the leaf spring hanger. And so, some of the stuff that's like super important, there's not really, like, hey, when bushings and stuff go bad, there's not really a, hey, you need to do it every 3,000 miles or 3 months or once a year, 12,000 miles. It all depends upon use, the road conditions, stopping, starting, pulling, how you're towing the vehicle, right? And then, of course, what you're towing it with. Do you have a weight distribution hitch? Are you driving it too aggressively? Are you going off-roading in it? When I say off-roading, I don't mean like four-wheel drive like a truck, but, that kind of stuff. So this unit yesterday had thin shackle links on it. And whenever you purchase a Dexter Easy Flex kit, this is the one we recommend, you can see how thick these shackle links are. Well, yesterday, the guys were able to grab this by their hand and literally just waller it back and forth, like, all loose and just shot. So, it's the same thing with the rear, so these bushings that originally were in here were nylon. And so they've been removed. Bronze bushings were in place. These are all greasable zerts now. And then you also have greasable zerts up top on both sides of this guy here, right? So now that center equalizer that was there before was one solid one that pivoted up and down and did a slight movement. This one now expands and contracts in the center, dampening as it goes over to jar stuff better. It's also a lot thicker. It's also greasable. It's also where you can maintain it. You can put new bushings in it as the bushings go. And so, when we go back through and we're doing our wheel bearing inspections, we're checking the bearings, we're checking the races, we're checking the spindles, we're checking the axles, we're checking anything that can go wrong. And then, like, here's a little tattletale sign. My guys witness marked all the U-bolts. And they're, probably either haven't witness marked these yet, or they're on the back side of it. Oops. And so, I'm getting called from the office. So I'm going to cut this video short, but I just want to let you know what's going on and give you a little overview of, suspension maintenance. So I'll get back to this with more details later. Thanks so much for watching. Dustin, Urban Specialist.